Hey, what's up, my friend? Happy New Year! Yeah, I know it's a few days past the New Year, but still wishing you a Happy New Year. And this period is where most trading gurus disappear faster than David Copperfield when asked about their past year's trading results. So here's my trading results for 2025. So for the first trading account that I have, this account adopts a momentum trading strategy. It's up about 45-46% for the year. And I have another trading account. This account, it's up about 20% for the year. As you can see over here, and this is the year-to-date returns. And for those of you who use Interactive Broker, you know this is a very familiar looking chart, looking equity curve. Yeah. So these are the two main accounts that I have, adopting a momentum and a mean reversion trading strategies. And if you want to learn more about momentum and mean reversion trading, I actually have a free 54-minute training over here that walks you through this different trading strategies, including the trading rules, backtest data, the full system, and whatnot. So if you want to grab it, just go down to tradingwithrainer.com/go, or I'll put the link somewhere below this video and you can access it. Now, moving on, I want to share with you 4 takeaways that I had in 2025. And these takeaways are important because if you implement them, if you adopt them, right, you will see your trading jump to the next level, because that's what it has done for my trading. I wish these are the lessons that I had learned earlier. So these are my 4 big takeaways for 2025, which kind of reinforce my beliefs, right, about the market. Number 1, more markets, more opportunities. So why do I say this is that I actively trade stocks. I trade many stocks in the US stock market. But can you guess in 2025, which is the market that gave me the biggest profit? Take a guess. Let me tell you. The market is gold. Why gold? Okay, so have a look at this chart. So if you look at gold, the chart of gold, this by the way is the weekly time frame. This is one of the best trending market in 2024 and 2025. And I actually went long in around here. I think this was June 2024, and I ride this move up higher, and currently I'm still holding gold. And the reason why I'm sharing this with you is when you trade more markets, you have more opportunities. Your trading setups have more markets to be exposed to, and this increases your odds of capturing a profit, riding a trend, especially if you are using a momentum or trend following approach. So it's like dating, right? If you only hang out at one coffee shop, you'll never meet anyone new. But if you hang out at different coffee shops, hawker centers, restaurants, you'll probably find a lot more dating potential or different women out there. So hang out around different places, right? For those of you who are single, and don't tell my wife I said that. So coming 2026, I plan to trade even more markets. I plan to go into the crypto markets and develop trading strategies and systems for that market as well. So if for those of you who only trade one market like Forex, stocks, my suggestion, something to consider, is expand your market universe and see where you could find more trading opportunities. Number 2, the holy grail of trading. So this is something that I have repeated a number of times, but last year 2025, it really reinforces this principle. So what is the holy grail of trading? So if you look at this table over here, it's 2 trading systems. One is a STF, stands for systematic trend following, and the other one is MRT, not the trend in Singapore, but mean reversion trading. And you can see that each of this trading system, they all have losing year, like 2009, 2018, 2012, trend following had losing years even in 2023. Same for mean reversion trading here and here. So how can you reduce your number of losing years such that you can profit almost every single year, whether it's a bull or bear market? And the answer is pretty simple. You want to combine, you want to trade multiple trading systems, because when you do that, look at this over here. Look at this column over here. You will pretty much improve your risk-adjusted returns. You can see the final column over here. When you allocate, let's say, 50% to trend following, 50% to mean reversion trading, you get results like this, where almost every single year you are making a profit. So that's the power, that's the beauty of trading multiple trading strategies. And because of this principle, during the April of 2025, where Trump implemented the tariffs, the stock market kind of like pullback, crash, I also suffered losses. My losses are nowhere as deep as the S&P 500 because I have multiple trading systems, right, that are running. And some of them actually do well during a market correction or a market pullback. So that's the power of having multiple trading systems, right? It's kind of like, you know, having multiple kids. Even if one kid disappoints you, guess what? You still have a few more backup. Yeah. Okay, so next one, number 3. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So this sounds very cliche, but this really helped me sleep peacefully for the whole of 2025. At least I, you know, don't wake up panicking, sweating buckets right in the middle of the night because of the financial markets. So why do I say that? So if you recall, around April 2025, it was where Trump started, you know, pushing out a lot of the tariffs, tariffing all the different countries in the world, you know, China, Russia, all the different countries, India and whatnot.